Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a cleaning of this fridge. As you can see, it really needs it. So I'm going to be taking out, the food that does not need to be in there, tossing things out, checking dates, and making sure whatever is expired, I'll be getting rid of those. And I'll also be doing a little wipe out of the freezer, and then also just tidying up the kitchen after doing this. And here I'm going to be using the Lysol free foam spray. I actually found this at Walmart, and it's supposed to be cruelty free, no type of harsh chemicals. So I decided to go ahead and use this in the fridge. It's my first time actually using this, and I actually liked it. So if you're new, I want to say welcome. Thank you for checking out my video. I would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. Definitely click that link and also like this video. And you can also check out some of my other cleaning videos. I have the link of those videos below, plus some other ones that you can check out. And for all my old subscribers, I would like to say thank you guys for supporting me, and I really appreciate you guys being here as always.
I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah. Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now.
So me cleaning out the fridge now, I wanted to just go ahead and do another general little deep cleaning of the fridge to get rid of any, food containers and things like that before, the holidays come around and going into the new year. I wanted to start off with everything being fresh and staying clean. I think, as I said before, if you keep your house fresh and clean starting the new year, you tend to go into the new year on a positive and better vibe. So that's why I'm doing this now.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's
So I tried to show you guys the best I could under the tray what the bottom part was looking like. So yeah, they had a little bit of crumbs and stuff down there, so I went ahead and tried to wipe that up as best as I could. Was kind of hard getting back there, but I was able to get to it in the end.
Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something, give me something, give me something. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from. Yeah, give me something.
So now that I'm finished with the fridge, I'm gonna just go ahead and pick up the kitchen, empty out all of those dishes that I took out of the fridge, combine things that need to be combined, and go from there.
I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone.
Again, if you're new to my channel and you're still watching, definitely please think about subscribing. I would love to have you guys here. I would appreciate your support, and here you'll find lifestyle, motherhood, organization, decor, anything, as I said before, that I like to share with you guys with my life. That's what I'll put out there. And for all my old subs, once again, thank you for tuning in and supporting me, because I do really appreciate it.
And it's a smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face, smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place, a better place, in a better place. It's the things that you do, the things that you do. And it's the smile on your face, the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place, a better place, in a better place. I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in opposition. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, give me your love. You're stuck in the middle, yeah, you're stuck in between. Things can only get better if you know what I mean. Once in the air, you realize what you want, the things that you dream of, and the things that you don't know. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you.
So the last thing I'm going to do here is go ahead and empty out the trash. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and appreciated, you know, me sharing this cleaning motivation with you. I hope you guys are able to take something from this and apply it to your own cleaning routine as well. And as always, I appreciate you guys and thanks for watching.